Hi everyone. Welcome to the session to discuss our new feature update, Introduction of GST Credit Note document in Ginesys POS. Let's talk about the background, the requirement, and the enhancements we've introduced. Currently, we do not have a separate GST document series for B2B returns. Because of this, users encounter two typical issues related to GST compliance. There are cases of B2B return bills for which E-Invoice is required as a credit note, but not allowed in the present version, due to the lack of a dedicated GST document number. Also, B2B returns are clubbed with B2C sales and pushed to EMG in GST return filing. Coming to the enhancements, we've introduced a new system-defined GST document number applicable only for B2B returns in the point-of-sale application. Try to understand the impact of the GST document number in the POS bill. You can observe that, as per present working, the same GST document number series is maintained for both B2B and B2C invoices, irrespective of sale or return. After the feature update, the system shall auto-apply new GST document number series for B2B return invoices. Rest of the invoices, meaning B2B sales, and all B2C invoices shall continue to generate GST document numbers with the existing series. Please note that no changes were made in the point-of-sale bill document number series. This feature update only deals with GST document number. Let's talk about the impact of the new GST document number in the E-Invoice, GST return and A-way bill process. In the point-of-sale application, users can manage GST compliances through an integrated approach, which means tight integration with EaseMyGST. After this feature update, users can generate E-Invoice for B2B return invoices as credit notes through integration, which was not possible earlier. In the GST return filing process, the system shall now generate separate line items like the point-of-sale bill, and the same shall be pushed as a credit note. In Doc Issued section, a separate series count shall be passed for the point-of-sale B2B credit note. And like all the other GST document series, valid and cancelled both counts shall be there. A-way bill generation shall continue not to be allowed for point-of-sale invoices. And for the users who are not using the EaseMyGST integration, respective reports have been updated considering the new GST document number for B2B credit notes to manage things manually. For a better understanding, here are some sample data for GST return filing. B2B return is going separately as a credit note, and Doc Issued is sending the count of the number series. Let us quickly jump into the POS application. For ease of use, I've already created a B2B customer. I'm now creating a B2B sale invoice. We are scanning an item and creating a B2B sales invoice from POS. And subsequently, the end customer is returning the item from the original bill and the cashier creates a B2B credit note. Now, let us check in the bill modification menu what GST document number is being generated for this B2B credit note. You can see that the system has used the new GST document number series. Please observe that I can now generate E-Invoice for this credit note now, which was restricted previously. For ease of operation, I have generated E-Invoice for another B2B credit note through integration. Let us open the credit note and check the generated E-Invoice details. Pointers to keep in mind post the feature update. Customers who were doing exchange operations for B2B cases as of now would not be able to do the same post update, as it is not allowed as per GST. In such cases, the user needs to do the return invoice and tax invoice separately. Customers who had restricted the creation of B2B returns in POS from the policy can now enable the same to utilize the full potential of the system. Customers who are using EaseMyGST integration for GST return filing purposes must keep in mind that, if the update is done in the middle of the month, then there would be a scenario where B2B returns made before the update would be included in the B2C consolidation and rest would be pushed as separate credit note documents. Thanks for watching. Now you know everything about the new GST Credit Note document number in the point of sale application. For any further clarification, please contact Ginesys Care.